Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I would like to discuss the current BTC scenario and what is coming next and what are the next targets for BTC. So you can see our bot has detected buy order when the BTC was trading at around 8,900 region, and we got a nice uptrend of nearly 9%, and it is facing resistance in this region. So if you see, there is a trend line here. So if you extend this particular trend line, we can see the price i- is getting rejected and near to this particular trend line. And also you can see an auto trend line is generated here, and the price bounced back from the this particular trend line and again trying to break this particular trend line. So the scenario here is, if BTC breaks 9600 to 9630, this particular range, we can see an uptrend towards this particular region. So we are talking somewhere around, you know 9835, and there's one more trend line that is generated by the bot. So this trend line is pointing towards 9989. So what you should do, or what I would do, is uh, I'll wait for this particular price to break this 9634 region, and the price will break even this, and it will find some kind of resistance at this 9992 region. So it is better that we sell at somewhere between 9942, or if we sell at somewhere a bit near 9980 region. So we can see, price coming down and finding a support at 9829, and price will move again towards 10,000 region. If not, the price might get rejected from this particular region. Again, it will find a support in this particular trend line which is generated. So we have bull power here, because we have seen crossover of shark and sniper trend. This blue region, this blue particular trend is called as a shark trend, and this is a sniper trend. If you find a crossover of shark and sniper, then it is unstoppable. So we have a good trend strength supported by the mother trend, which is forming a rock solid support for this BTC. If I look at 4-hour chart, as I said, the 4-hour chart, we can see this particular trend line which is drawn, and we can see some kind of resistance at 9813 or 9824. So this is the region to watch out, and we are finding some kind of a M pattern. Price might get rejected from here, and again it will find a support at 9385 region. So we'll have to use strict stop loss if you are using very high leverage. uh, Even if you see, our deep learning AI bot detected, it formed a proper trend line, and the price and gave a buy triangle here. So the price pumped from in this region. Okay, so you can see. So we'll see at what is the current scenario in 15-minute time frame. So 15-minute time frame also, the BTC is going strong. We got a buy signal here, and the price is above the sniper trend. If the price is above the sniper trend, means the trend is good, and the volume is also increasing. So we might see a pump and again finding a dynamic support in this sniper trend region. So if you see here, trend lines are drawn properly. The trend line is drawn here, and we got a buy signal on 28th May. So the trend line is broken, we got a buy triangle here. So again it retested in this region. Again price went above the sniper trend line, and again a trend line, auto trend line is drawn, and it got rejected from here, and again it formed a support from the sniper trend. The sniper trend is a very strong trend. So if the price is above the sniper trend region, that means bulls are having lot of power, and the You can see price is moving in a good momentum. You can see the price will be like a Lamborghini car, so there's it will be unstoppable. So followed by this shark trend is another trend which will, you know, it will help you to validate this particular trend strength. So it will also act as a support. So I have done my BTC analysis. So there are some other altcoin analysis that I would like to do. So I will be longing. I'm still bullish on BTC because it is above this sniper trend. I am some kind of doubtful about this particular region. I will be watching it. If we break this particular trend line 9616 or 9630, so then we are heading towards 9831. This is another cryptocurrency to watch out is Metal. This is one of my favorite coin to trade. So this particular crypto is, it got rejected from this particular trend line. Okay, but it's a sniper trend, so it is forming a W pattern here. If you want some kind of a profit, or if you want some kind of a money, this is the coin to watch out, because the mother trend is acting as a very strong area here. So it takes a lot of bear power to break this. It doesn't break so easily. Okay, so we might see a pump here in Metal. So I'm expecting a jump till 400. So we might get rejected from 407. So we can see a 23%, or in a long run we can see 513. So that will be around 55%. So many coins are pumping these days, so you can watch out for Metal. And our deep learning AI bot also detected, saying that this is going in a good the strength is going to be very high because it's coming towards the mother trend region. So whenever a particular price comes near the mother trend, see, it broke the mother trend and it price pumped. So again price will start pumping again. So it takes a lot of bear power to break this trend. Once any stock goes above this particular trend, then it is unstoppable. It will be in the bullish trend only. Okay, so I'm bullish about Metal. Now let us see other coins. WPR is also going strong. VPower, as you can see, the price broke this mother trend region and we got a buy signal here. So after that, there's no looking back. The price at this particular trend line, it's a 40% profit. So it's a 40% profit in just 4 days. And this particular trend line is a very strong trend line. This is like a Godzilla. So it's very difficult to break this trend line. So again, we see price supported 77 and 73 region. Again we got a buy signal and it is above the sniper trend. It is like a, soldiers. It's the strength is very high. It will run like horse. So we can see some kind of a horse run for WPR as well. One more coin which recently pumped was VIA. As you can see, VIA broke the this mother trend on 22nd May. It broke above this particular trend line. That means it entered the, bullish zone. It entered the Lamborghini car. So there was no looking back. So on 22nd May it entered the mother trend. It broke the mother trend. It came inside the fort. After that we can see we had seen a price rising, making good rise. So our bot also was telling us to buy here, buy here, buy here, and buy here, because it's some other trend. Now it is in the Lamborghini car, so it will definitely go. Again price broke the sniper trend. Once the price broke the sniper trend, as I said, it will get the horsepower very very strong. So it run and it got pumped till 5200 region. So it gave a buy signal somewhere around 1586 region, and it pumped around 225%. So 225% pump, and again you can see the price is coming down because it was a pump and dump. We can see this particular price 2000 region. Okay, so 2000 maybe will act as a support. You can, if you are a scalper, you can put a buy order at 2000 and put your desired stop loss. We can see some kind of a rise here, retest and rise in via. So that's about via. Next, there's some other coin. Another kind which I like most is OAX. As you can see, OAX broke our mother trend at 393 somewhere around 22nd May. Again, it retested and it went above our shark trend as a sniper trend. So once it break the sniper trend, that means it's unstoppable. So it will be like the price will ride on a horse. And I was correct. We hit this. I was looking for 548 region. It hit the same region and it came back. So we got a nice pump of 38%. As you can see, price came down and again we got a buy signal over the shark trend. Now the price is above the sniper trend, so it is forming a support here 453. So it is the price is still on a horse, so the sniper trend is strong. It is difficult to break this trend also, but if BTC is not making any kind of unusual activity, then we can see a price pump till 550. Otherwise, we have our shark trend, our shark to take care of. So it will come and sit at 430. Even if this particular region breaks, we have a very strong 390. This is the mother trend. This is a Godzilla trend. So this will definitely support it. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked this video, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell light notification so that you get whenever I upload new video, you get the notification very instantly. And also please subscribe to my Telegram channel, because Telegram channel, like I'm very active on that Telegram channel. I will be posting so many links and signals which are generated by my AI bot. And regarding the availability of the AI bot, we are thinking to release to the public by June first week. So you can have access to this bot. You can apply on your trading view chart and see the magic by yourself, and you can start trading. You don't need any kind of a mentor after this, because your bot will help you. So we will be giving you all kind of documentation, all kind of settings, where to apply for all kinds of market, be it crypto, forex, options, Indian stock market, any market. This particular strategy will work. So I had made this video just to give you an update about the current BTC scenario, and as well as some kind of there are some alts which you can buy and keep, so that you can also get some kind of profit. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video, and please do subscribe to my channel, and please do subscribe to my Telegram channel as well. That is very important. Please subscribe to my Telegram channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.